Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you need to find where the fuses and relays for the driver and passenger power seats are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. So where you can guys expect to find the fuses and the relays for the driver and the passenger power seats? We will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban here. They're built on the same platform. The only difference is the Suburban is a little bit longer in the back guys. Now, quick reminder guys, 9 out of 10 people do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that SUV. We made a special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban, check it out. What we need to do now, first we need to go ahead and open the driver door. Then on the side of the dash you have one cover here, that cover needs to come out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, we need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check a few more things. The first fuse that we need to check, let's zoom in, we're talking about fuse number 44 guys. 44 will be that 30 fuse here. Those could be hard to find or super overpriced fuses. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping guys. So now next you go to the passenger side, open the door, and again you have a cover on the side of the dash. Pry that open and you're going to find guys, okay, almost identical fuse box. Here now, okay, we need to check another fuse, but this time it's known guys as fuse number 49. Okay, 49 will be that fuse right here on the bottom. What about relays? There is very limited information guys, but most likely you do not have a relay. The relay function is part of the body control module, so these fuses are known as relay fuses. If you have problems with driver, passenger power seats, always check these fuses first. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.